डीएमके सत्ता के अहंकार में डूबी हुई पार्टी है।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Tamil Nadu took a confrontational turn as he invoked the memory of former Chief Minister J. Jayalalitha to criticize the Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam DMK party. Accusing the ruling party of disrespecting women and perpetuating outdated politics, Modi also aimed the Congress-led India bloc, of which the DMK is a member. He said, "We know how they treated her, passed vulgar comments about her. Tamil Nadu respects women, but India Alliance does not. DMK does not." Rahul Gandhi said he will destroy Shakti, while another says he will eliminate Sanatan Dharma. The reference was to an incident in the assembly in 1989 when the late ex-chief minister was heckled and her sari was pulled, an incident the BJP has often raised as it looks for support in a state that has traditionally rejected its brand of politics. Back in August, Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman referred to the 1989 incident to counter DMK MP Kanimozhi's attack on the centre over crimes against women. In February, the PM lavished praise on Jayalalitha, calling her a true leader. The Prime Minister's remark underscored his commitment to challenging opposition leaders, including Rahul Gandhi and Udyanidhi Stalin, while highlighting the BJP's reverence for Jayalalitha and MG Ramachandran. The importance of Tamil Nadu's 39 Lok Sabha seats to the BJP was evident in Modi's repeated visits to the state, despite the party's severe ties with the AIDMK. Although the AIDMK has distanced itself from the BJP, the Prime Minister's strategic focus on targeting the DMK and the Congress suggests an attempt to sway undecided voters. Modi's campaign in Western Tamil Nadu's Salem on AIDMK stronghold further emphasizes the BJP's efforts to expand its efforts base in the Tamil Nadu. As Tamil Nadu gears up for the Lok Sabha election, the political landscape remains dynamic and unprecedented.
डीएमके सत्ता के अहंकार में डूबी हुई पार्टी है। जब डीएमके के एक बड़े नेता ने हमारे युवा नेता अन्नामलाई जी के बारे में पूछा गया, तो डीएमके नेता ने अहंकार में कहा, कौन है वो अन्नामलाई? हु इज दैट? हु इज दैट? और अपमानजनक शब्दों का इस्तेमाल किया। यह अहंकार तमिलनाडु के महान कल्चर के खिलाफ है। ये अहंकार तमिलनाडु के लोगों की कभी पसंद नहीं आएगा। एक पूर्व पुलिस अफसर के लिए, बैकवर्ड क्लास से आने वाले एक युवा के लिए, ग्राउंड पर इतना काम करने वाले युवा के लिए जो शब्द डीएमके ने कहे हैं, वही उसका असली कैरेक्टर है।
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.